Hello students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal, an online math tutor from India. I tutor students of the IB and the IGCSE boards from grades 9 to 12. This is my website www.nsonlinemathtutoring.com. You may visit my website to know about my tutoring services in more detail. Okay. Now we are solving questions from the topic geometric sequence or geometric progression, and this is our fifth video on this topic. We'll be having a total of 7 videos, and this is our fifth session on this topic, geometric sequence and geometric progression. And as we are moving towards the final video, the level of difficulty of the questions taken up is increasing. Okay, so the first question of this session is in a GP. GP is geometric progression. If the question contains this term GP, it is the geometric progression, or it can contain the term geometric sequence. They mean the same. So in a geometric progression, the product of the first and the seventh terms is equal to the fourth term. And this is a word problem, so we have to form mathematical equations from each information given. Therefore, let us start with our answer. So, since it is a geometric progression, therefore, first of all, let me write first term is equal to u1, and there should be the common ratio. Is equal to r. Okay. So the product of the first term, that is u1 multiplied by seventh term, which is obviously u1 times r to the power of 7 minus 1, which is 6. This is equal to the fourth term, that is u1 times r to the power of 4 minus 1, which is 3. And I can divide the entire equation by u1 so that these two will be getting cancelled. Again, I can divide the same equation by r to the power of 3. So I am dividing the entire equation by u1 times r to the power of 3. Okay. So these two are getting cancelled, and the left hand side of the equal to sign is having u1, and r to the power of 6 divided by r to the power of 3 is giving us r to the power of 3. And the right hand side is equal to 1. So u1 r to the power of 3 is equal to 1. So, and this is the fourth term. u1 times r to the power of 3 is the fourth term, right? So we are seeing the fourth term value is equal to 1. We do not know whether this will be useful for us or not, but we have got the numerical value of the fourth term. The next piece of information is that given the sum of the first and the fourth terms is 9, find the first term and the common ratio. Okay, so we know the first term is equal to u1. We have taken the first term to be equal to u1. And the fourth term, we have found the numerical value of the fourth term, so we just write plus 1 to it. u1 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, u1 is equal to 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. We have got the numerical value of the first term. So, what is the common ratio? Let us take this. So, u1 times r cube is equal to 1, or 8 times r cube is equal to 1, which gives us the r cube value as 1 over 8. And again, if we take the cube roots of both the sides, we have the numerical value of r, which is equal to half, 1 over 2. Okay. Therefore, we have got the first term and the common ratio of this geometric progression or geometric sequence. So, we write our answer. u1 is equal to 8 and r is equal to 1 over 2. I have written what is u1, that is the first term, and what is r, that is the common ratio. Okay. But definitely it will be better if you write the first term as 8 and the common ratio as half instead of writing u1 is equal to 8 and r equal to half. Okay. So let us move on to our next question. The first term u1, over here they have given the first term as u1. The fifth term and the 15th term of an arithmetic sequence. Now this is important. We are solving questions from the geometric sequence, but they are saying that the first term, the fifth term and the 15th term of an arithmetic sequence are the first three terms of a geometric sequence. Okay. So let us start with our answer. The first term is u1, so let us write this to be the arithmetic sequence. And this is u1 is the first term. And since it is an arithmetic sequence, there will be the common difference. And they have said D is the common difference for the arithmetic sequence. So, D is the common difference. Okay. Now, what is the first term? It is u1. What is the fifth term? It is u1 plus n minus 1, that is 4d. And what is the 15th term? It is u1 plus 15 minus 1, that is 14d. Now, these three are the first three terms of a geometric sequence. Okay. Hence, there will be a common ratio. What is that common ratio? It is u1 plus 4d over u1. And this is the common ratio expression when we are taking the first two terms. If we take the last two terms, the second and the third terms, we get the common ratio as u1 plus 14d over u1 plus 4d. Now we may cross multiply. Okay. So it is u1 plus 4d whole square is equal to u1 times u1 is u1 square and u1 times 14d is equal to 14 u1d. Okay. And if I open this, if I am taking the help of the algebraic identity, you may just multiply them by taking two binomials u1 plus 4d times u1 plus 4d. Okay. But I am using the algebraic identity. It is u1 square plus 2 times 4, that is 8 u1d plus 4 square is 16, 16d square is equal to u1 square plus 14 u1d. Okay. So, I am having u1 square on both the sides, so I can safely cancel those two. And what else can we do? So, we have to show that 3u1 is equal to 8d. Show that 3u1 is equal to 8d, where d is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. So, I can take 16d square is equal to 8d. This is 14 u1 This is 8u1d, sorry, and this is 14u1d. So it will be 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. 6u1d. Okay. So 6u1d, and if I divide the entire equation by 2d, so it is we get this will be 8 and this is 3 and these two get cancelled, and it is 8d on the left hand side is equal to 3u1, or you can write it as, which is obviously equal to 3u1 equal to 8d. Just flipping the sides because they have the 3u1 first. I have just changed the sides. Okay, so it was 8d equal to 3u1. This is the expression, or this is the equation that we have got, and I have just flipped the sides and I have written 3u1 first, which is equal to 8d. So this has been shown. This has been shown. Okay. So students, let us stop over here for today. We will be meeting very soon in our next video session. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please give this video a like in case you found it useful. In case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel till now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me to make more math videos, which may be helpful for you, okay, in your math class, okay. So, do not forget to press the bell icon. You will get notified as soon as I publish a new video, okay. So, bye for now.